Welcome to my channel. Today we'll be setting up Microsoft DOS. Now, this is still used today, but not as much as it used to. This is before any graphical operating system, except for possibly Apple Lisa. Now, let's get started. I'm running off a virtual machine, so you may see me bring up documents at times. Just don't ask me about any operating systems you may see. Now, this is the page you come to when you insert the floppy disk or DVD, however you want, to install Microsoft DOS. Now, there is no product key. I have no idea why, but let's get started with it. Now, to set it up, it's pretty straightforward. Press enter. Now, on a virtual machine like this, need to set it up and don't see Canada. Well, let's just run through it. Yes, you want to install to a directory called C DOS. If you don't want that, you're making it a little bit difficult. Now, it's going to ask me for setup disk 2, so I'll open that up. Here it is. Now, press enter. Setup disk 3. There it is. Press enter. And then remove the disk. And my thing almost froze. And it messed up. Huh. Seems to be slightly messing up. Okay. Now it's set up. Now to restore, press enter. And there you go, MS-DOS. And that's how it's going to look the first time you boot up. And then you insert, or you press Ctrl-Alt-Delete to restart the system. And it's just going to start up like that. Now, since this was a short tutorial on how to install DOS, I'm going to install Windows 3.1. And let me just see. Ah, crap. Yeah, it doesn't seem like it's wanting me to do this. Well, I guess once I get this figured out, I'll talk to you later with Windows 3.1. I'm back. I think I have the problem figured out, but let's just bear with it. Now, I'm going to be showing you how to install Windows 3.1, and it should be right here. Now, there are going to be 7 images. I can't remember which one isn't really needed, but hopefully I can just remember. Remember, this is on virtual machine. That's why you see me pulling up devices. Now, go to the A drive directory. Won't do anything. Now, type in set up. First time doing it this way. There we go. Now, straightforward again. Don't know why you may want to set this up. Maybe you want to have a look back at Windows 3.1. But let's just set it up. So you press enter. Now, you will want to go with custom because it's a virtual machine. You're not going to really, well, Windows isn't going to be able to configure it. So, press C, and you want it to install to Windows. Otherwise, you're making it kind of difficult if you're not experienced. That's what I also meant before when you're installing DOS. Now, you have to have DOS when installing Windows 3.1. Windows 3.1 does not have DOS included, so you need DOS beforehand. Now, just press enter. Yes, this pretty well matches my computer or my virtual machine. Now, with network, I believe they mean printers since the internet wasn't in high demand at the time, and it was mostly used by the military. But you can try to, you can just try to set it up, but I wouldn't. So just press enter. Now, it wants disk 2. So, oh boy. Okay. Okay. Disk 2. Enter. Disk 3. Enter. Now, this is going to be your first graphical. Now, you won't see the bottom of the screen, but, well, okay. For this disk, I'm just going to say up, then when it says number 2, I'll stop for a moment and we'll get it done. Now, you're just going to see me put in my name. Now, company, you don't really need. I'll just say that. Just say Richard's company. Now continue that. Continue. Now, I don't have a printer connected, but you may want to keep this. So yeah, continue. Oh, now you're not going to see the thin white down there. You see a little bit, but that's just telling me the disk space available. So yes, you want to continue. And it'll ask you for your virtual memory, which is your memory. So continue that. And then it's going to say unable to read file, but really it just needs the next disk. And I'll be right back. Hello, I'm back. Now, with Windows, like it's going to say unable to read file, but really it just needs the next disk, as I will demonstrate here. On the yellow circle you did see, that was my host mouse, kind of pretty well in the background. Now which disk? Disk 4, I believe. Now, you can say retry, and it's good as new. Now, the next disk, I am not. Uh, I am not going to tell you where I got these files, not because they are legal, but because, well, this is the problem I was telling you about before. But I'm not going to tell you because of, I don't know why. It's just, I don't want you to get viruses, but, yeah. Anyways, it will tell you what device. And it's starting to mess up again. Okay. And then disk sits. We try. Okay. Okay, then it needs disk 7. Oops. I know it says disk sits, but the way this virtual image was set up, what can you do? Okay. And now, this one, you may think you may know everything. Sorry about the two mouse. It's just the first. One sec. Sorry about that, but I had to go pick up something. Now, you want to review and edit changes so it doesn't get mixed up. And this stuff I don't really understand completely, but if you do, okay. Now continue, continue. Okay, that's good. So you'll have your old configuration saved. And then get search. And that's something you may want to keep. Add all. Okay. And now, a short tutorial. Yeah, but I'll show you quickly. Now, you want to remove your floppy disk before you restart it. So, come on now. Okay, this thing is really starting to annoy me. Okay. Now, you have two choices, to reboot or return to MS-DOS. But I'll just reboot. Now, to enter Windows, very simply, type Win. And that will launch the exe, and there you go. Windows 3.11. Now, there's not a whole lot you can do, so I'm not going to really run through it. But I will show you how you are meant to close stuff. This. Now, this is the exact opposite of what you might think. Now, what do you think happens when I close this? It actually ends my Windows season. So, it returns me to DOS. And that's it. Have a nice day. Be happy. Try not to kill your computer. And please give it a thumbs up. And I guess subscribe. Thank you for watching.